Hi friends, welcome to the part 2 of online maths learning chapter arithmetic series. Today's class we will be seeing the exercise 5.1 and 1.1 for Karnataka state students. The first question says, in which of the following situation does the list of numbers involve making an arithmetic progression and why? So have one point in your mind that AP is nothing but it is a series of numbers where each number is obtained by adding a fixed number. In the first question, the taxi fare after each kilometer, when the fare is 15 rupees for the first kilometer and rupees 8 for each additional kilometer. That means the cost for first kilometer is rupees 15. So that in AP is called as A. The second kilometer is added with 8 rupees. So this can also be designated as A1, that is term 1. So the second term, that is A2, is obtained by adding 8 rupees to the first kilometer, that is rupees 23. Similarly, for the third kilometer, that is A3, I get rupees 23 plus rupees 8 turns out to be rupees 31 and so on. So it can be clearly observed that each term is obtained by adding a fixed number to it. So what is that fixed number here? Fixed number is 8. So therefore the common difference, that is D1, will be equivalent to A2 minus A1, which is equivalent to 23 minus 15 is equal to 8, and D2 is equal to A3 minus A2, that is 31 minus 23, that is 8. So in both the cases the common difference is same, and subsequent terms also the same thing carries on. So the above situation is an AP as the common difference is same, hence it is an AP. It is an AP. Similarly, we will go to the second question. What is this second question? We just have this glance of second question. The second question reads, the amount of air present in the cylinder when a vacuum pump removes 1/4 of air remaining in the cylinder at a time. That means there is a volume of air in a cylinder, that is air volume in cylinder. Let it be V. Let me consider that is V cubic units. V cubic units. So this is first term. I say, for example, there is V, volume V in the cylinder. In the next term, that is A2, so every time it is reduced by 1/4. That means 1/4 is removed out. So previously there was V, I am removing V/4. So I get 4V minus V by 4. Just taking LCM and cross multiply. 4 and 1, I get 3V by 4. This is your A2. And be careful that A3 is obtained. This is the original volume now. From that I have to remove 1/4 of that. That means this is the original volume, 3V by 4 minus 1/4 times of 3V by 4. So turns out to be 3V by 4 minus 3V by 16. The LCM between, or just cross multiply it, the game is over. So 48V minus 12V divided by 64. 16 3s are 48, 4 3s are 12, and 4 into 16 is 64. So if I remove 38, 36, 36V by 64 can be divided 4, how much is that? 4, sorry, 4 ones are 4 and 4 6s are, and this is 9s are. So it is 9V by 16. So here, what is D? What is D? D will be A2 minus A1. What is A2? 3V by 4. What is A1? V. So I get 3V minus 4V by 4 cross multiply. I'm getting minus V by 4 for the first condition. Just we'll go with the second condition. It will be the second condition, that is D2. D2 will be A3 minus A2. This is A3, 9V by 16 minus, what is the second term? 3V by 4. What is LCM again? Same thing can be carried. 36 minus 48, 48V by 64. This is the remaining again. So remaining is, so 4 plus 8, that is minus 12V by 64. This can be divided again. 3s are 16s are. So it is minus 3V by 16. Clearly from the above, D1 is not equal to D2. That is common difference. Difference is not same. Common difference is not same. Hence, it is not an AP. It is not an AP. So this type of problems we have in another arithmetic progression called geometric progression. So this type of problems comes under geometric progression, which you study in higher standards. The third problem says, I hope so, third one you can try yourself. Just please try third one. So it can be solved by having an example of question number 1. I'll just go with fourth problem. So what is the fourth problem says? Fourth problem, the amount of money is in the account every year when rupees 10,000 is deposited at a compound interest of 8% per annum. Compound interest means the interest after every year is added to principal of next year. So here, what is the interest I just calculated? The first P is principal is 10,000 rupees, and interest, rate of interest, that is R, will be 8%. So I'll just calculate the interest for first year. Interest for first year, interest for first year is PTR by 100. PTR by 100, principal into 8% by 100, get cancelled. This will be equivalent to rupees 800. This 800 now will be added to the principal amount for next year. So the next year, this is for the first year, let it be A1. So A2 will be equivalent to interest for the second year, interest for the second year. But remember, please remember, as it is compounded interest, so the principal for the second year will be changed, that is 10,000 plus interest of the first year, that will be equivalent to 10,800. So now I have to calculate interest for 10,800 into 8% again. 0 0 cancel, 8 ones, 8 8s are 8 8s are 8 8s are is 64. So 4 6 carry, and 8 zeros are 0 6 8. So it is 864 rupees. 864 rupees is the interest for the second year. So it is 864. Third year again. Now the principal for the second year will change. Similarly, principal for the third year also changes. What's the principal? Now it is 1800 plus 864. So it will be 11,000. 11,800 plus 800 is 1,600. So it is 11,664. 11,664. Clearly we can see that the first year it is 800, second year it is 864, the interest. So third year interest, I just calculate the third year interest. Third year interest will be 11,664 into 8%. 11,664 into 8%. So if you do it, what do you get here again? We'll solve for this problem again. Okay, so it will be 8 into, or I just multiply it, 11 6.64 into 8. So 32, 3 carry, 48, 50, 1 5 carry, it is again 48 plus 5 is 53, 5 carry, it is 8 ones are 8 and it is 13, 1 carry, 9 points are 2. So what will be the interest now? 933.12. And clearly you can see that the difference is not same. The difference between this is 64. So difference between this is 64. So that is, difference is 64. So D1 is A2 minus A1, that is 864 minus 800, that is 64 rupees. So D2 is A3 minus A2, that is 933.64 minus 864. If you subtract 864 from this, so what I get, it is 1, 2, 12, 3, it is 2, 13, 13 minus 4, 9, so it is 8, 12, 12 minus 6 is 6. So it is, I am getting rupees 69.12. So D1 is not equal to D2, so therefore common difference is not same. So hence it is not AP. So this completes the first question of exercise 5.1. Thank you. We'll continue the second exercise in my next video.